If you've been on the hunt for the best travel cards to rack up rewards, skip those annoying fees, or fly in style, then you're in the right place, because today we're diving deep into the best travel cards of 2024. And before you think, another video on credit cards, stick around because these are no ordinary cards. Nope, these can unlock a world of perks, whether it's chilling in airport lounges, getting free hotel upgrades, or earning points for everyday spending. There's one card on this list that even has no annual fee. 6. The Barkleys Advantage Aviator Red World Elite MasterCard. First up, we have the Barkleys Advantage Aviator Red World Elite MasterCard. Now that's a mouthful, so let's just call it the Barkleys American Airlines card. The sign-up bonus, you get 60,000 miles after making just one purchase. Yes, even a pack of gum counts, and boom, 60,000 miles. As for perks, you get a $25 in-flight Wi-Fi credit every year, 25% off in-flight food and drinks, and a free checked bag on American Airlines. Plus, if you spend $20,000 in a year, you'll snag a companion certificate for a guest to fly with you for just $99 plus taxes. When it comes to earnings, it's 2 miles per dollar on American Airlines purchases and 1 mile on everything else. The annual fee? It's $99. But with that sign-up bonus, this card practically pays for itself. 5. The US Bank Altitude Reserve. Coming in at number 5, we've got the US Bank Altitude Reserve. You get 5 points per dollar on prepaid hotel and car rentals booked through their portal, 3 points per dollar on all travel and mobile wallet purchases, and 1 point per dollar on everything else. In terms of benefits, this card offers 8 free visits to Priority Pass lounges each year, which is a nice perk for frequent travelers. You also get a $325 credit each year, which can be applied to travel or dining. Plus, it covers global entry or TSA pre-check application fees. Now, the annual fee is $400, but with that $325 travel and dining credit, you're effectively only paying $75 at most. The sign-up bonus? 50,000 points after spending $4,500 in the first 90 days. That translates to anywhere between $500 to $750, depending on how you redeem them. 4. The American Express Hilton Aspire. Next up is the Hilton Aspire from American Express. What really makes this card shine are the benefits. You get Hilton Diamond status just for holding the card. This means you're eligible for room upgrades, free breakfast, and more, without having to stay at Hilton hotels frequently. Plus, you get a free night certificate each year, $400 in Hilton credits, and a $200 airline fee credit. For earnings, it's 14 points per dollar at Hilton, 7 points on select travel and dining, and 3 points everywhere else. Serious value, right? Sign-up bonus? Massive. You get 180,000 Hilton points after spending $6,000 in 6 months. That's enough for at least 2 nights in an overwater villa in the Maldives. The annual fee is a hefty $550. 3. The American Express Gold Card. If you're someone who spends big on food, whether at restaurants or grocery stores, the American Express Gold Card is for you. One of the highlights is the earnings potential. 4 points per dollar at restaurants and grocery stores, up to $25,000 a year, 3 points per dollar on airfare, and 1 point on everything else. Now, let's talk about the sign-up bonus. Depending on the offer, you'll get between 60,000 and 75,000 points after spending $6,000 in 6 months. That's anywhere between $600 to $750 in value. The benefits? $120 dining credit, $120 Uber credit, both spread out monthly, adding up to $240 in savings that almost cover the $250 annual fee. You don't even need to be jet-setting to get value out of this one. 2. The Capital One Venture X. Coming in hot at number 2 is the Capital One Venture X, a card that's all about luxury and ease for frequent travelers. With 10 points per dollar on hotels and car rentals and 5 points per dollar on flights, all booked through the Capital One travel portal, this card means serious travel rewards. For everything else, it's a reliable 2 points per dollar. Oh, and did I mention the sign-up bonus? A cool 75,000 points after spending $4,000 in 3 months. The perks of this card don't stop there. You get a $300 annual travel credit, again through their travel portal, and 10,000 miles, which equals $100, just for keeping the card active each year. Plus, unlimited Priority Pass access for you and your authorized users. Yes, even they can access airport lounges for free. Sure, the annual fee is $395, but this travel card gives you more than you pay. 1. The Bilt MasterCard. At number 1, we've got the card with no annual fee, but that's just the start. With Bilt MasterCard, you can earn points on rent payments, up to 100,000 points a year, without any transaction fees. Plus, you'll get 3 points per dollar on dining, 2 points per dollar on travel, and 1 point per dollar on everything else. You can send your points to top programs like American Airlines, Hyatt, and Emirates. Rare for a no-fee card. Other perks: cell phone protection, rental car insurance, and no foreign transaction fees, all with 0 annual cost. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to get the most out of your money. Catch you next time.